Imagine walking through the bustling streets of Thailand, where the sound of sirens is replaced by the whir of AI police drones patrolling the skies. These drones aren't just for show. They're equipped with advanced facial recognition technology and real-time data analysis, helping to keep the peace in ways we never thought possible. It's a glimpse into a future where law enforcement is not just about human intuition, but enhanced by the precision of artificial intelligence. Now, let's shift gears to the magical world of Disney, where the lines between fantasy and reality blur even further. Disney has introduced emotional robots designed to interact with guests in ways that feel genuinely human. These droids can recognize emotions, respond to facial expressions, and even engage in meaningful conversations. Imagine meeting a robot that can sense your excitement and respond with a joyful dance or a comforting gesture. It's not just entertainment. It's a new form of connection that enhances the magic of the Disney experience. And speaking of connections, let's talk about the incredible sight of robots participating in a half marathon. Yes, you heard that right. In a recent event, robots took to the track, showcasing their agility and speed. These machines are not just programmed to run. They're designed to learn from their environment, adapting their movements to navigate obstacles. It's a fascinating demonstration of how far robotics has come, merging athleticism with cutting-edge technology. Now, picture yourself stepping into a fully AI-operated hotel in Las Vegas. This isn't just any hotel. It's a glimpse into the future of hospitality. From check-in to room service, every aspect is managed by AI. Imagine a concierge that knows your preferences better than you do, anticipating your needs before you even ask. The rooms adjust to your ideal temperature, lighting, and even play your favorite music as you walk in. This level of personalization is not just convenient. It's a revolution in how we experience travel. And let's not forget about Ocado's AI grocery robots, which are transforming the way we shop. These robots navigate through warehouses, picking and packing groceries with incredible efficiency. They're equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that allow them to optimize their routes, ensuring that your groceries are delivered fresh and on time. This technology not only streamlines the shopping experience, but also reduces waste, making it a win-win for consumers and the environment. As we look at these advancements, it's clear that the future is not just about robots taking over. It's about enhancing our lives in ways we never imagined. From AI police ensuring our safety to emotional robots creating connections, and from AI-operated hotels redefining hospitality to grocery robots making shopping smarter, we are witnessing a transformation that is both exciting and profound. The integration of AI into our daily lives is not just a trend. It's the dawn of a new era, one where technology and humanity work hand in hand to create a better world.